Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Aris Fahriza. Saya adalah salah satu dosen Prodi Tadris Bahasa Inggris Universitas Darussalam Gontor. Pada kesempatan ini, saya akan mendemonstrasikan materi ajar pada mata kuliah Listening for Academic Purposes. Mata kuliah ini merupakan mata kuliah wajib prodi, yaitu Prodi Tadris Bahasa Inggris yang memiliki bobot 2 SKS, dan mata kuliah ini diajarkan kepada mahasiswa Prodi Tadris Bahasa Inggris pada semester 3. Adapun CPL pada mata kuliah ini adalah 1. Menunjukkan sikap kepemimpinan, leadership, bertanggung jawab, accountability, dan responsibility atas pekerjaan di bidang bahasa Inggris secara mandiri pada satuan pendidikan, madrasah, SD, MI, SMPN, TS, SMA sederajat atau lembaga lain yang memberikan jasa layanan bahasa Inggris. Yang kedua, mampu berkomunikasi baik lisan maupun tulisan dengan menggunakan bahasa Arab dan bahasa Inggris dalam perkembangan dunia akademik dan dunia kerja. Yang ketiga, mampu mengaplikasikan metode pembelajaran yang sesuai dengan kondisi siswa dan materi, lecturing, cooperative learning, role play, problem solving, discussion, and debate and inquiry. Dan yang keempat, mampu berbahasa Inggris baik lisan maupun tulisan, menyimak, berbicara, dan membaca dalam konteks keseharian umum, pekerjaan, ilmu pengetahuan atau teknologi sesuai dengan bidang keahlian setara tingkat yang post intermediate. Sedangkan CPMK pada mata kuliah ini yang pertama adalah siswa mampu mengidentifikasi kosakata, recognizing vocabularies ketika menyimak monolog dan dialog akademik. Dan yang kedua, mahasiswa mampu menentukan ide pokok dalam monolog dan dialog akademik dalam bentuk audio. CPMK yang ketiga, mahasiswa mampu memahami literal meaning pada teks berbentuk audio dalam academic listening. Dan yang keempat, mahasiswa mampu memahami implied meaning pada teks berbentuk audio dalam academic listening. Deskripsi mata kuliah pada mata kuliah ini yaitu this course aims to equip students with the ability and skills to understand advanced level scientific texts sourced from various academic activities such as seminars, lectures, meeting, and others. Jadi mata kuliah ini ditujukan untuk supaya mahasiswa mampu menguasai academic listening dari berbagai macam sumber seperti seminar dan lecturing. Nah, bahan kajian yang kami sematkan dalam mata kuliah ini yaitu ada 4. Yang pertama adalah non-academic listening text, yang kedua adalah academic listening text, yang ketiga comprehending literal meaning, monologue and dialogue in audio context, dan yang keempat adalah comprehending implied meaning, monologue and dialogue. Keempat bahan kajian ini terbagi menjadi 14 pertemuan. 14 pertemuan di dalam kelas dengan total 16 pertemuan, 2 pertemuan yaitu untuk UTS dan UAS. Sedangkan referensi yang kami gunakan yaitu adalah referensi tentang materi teaching, listening, and speaking from theory to practice, ya, itu sebagai referensi utama yang ditulis oleh Richard ya pada tahun 2006 melalui Cambridge University Press. Yang kedua, materi listening itu kami dapatkan dari website yaitu Listen a Minute, Essential English Listening and Lesson Plans. Yang ketiga adalah eSpot from Unida Gontor yang merupakan karya kami sendiri yang bertujuan untuk memberikan sumber materi kepada mahasiswa Prodi Tadris Bahasa Inggris baik academic speaking maupun academic listening. Sedangkan referensi tambahan yaitu kami menggunakan jurnal artikel yang kami publikasi sendiri yang merupakan hasil dari integrasi penelitian dan pengajaran, sehingga hasil penelitian ini akan kami selalu implementasikan dalam kelas setiap hari, setiap kali mengajar, yaitu yang berjudul Bottom Up Strategy in Teaching Listening for Academic Purposes, ya, for EFL in Pesantren Based University. Yang kedua adalah The Effect of Audio Podcast Application on Guessing Meaning Skill on Teaching Listening Comprehension. Jadi semuanya berkaitan dengan academic listening. Nah, pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan mendemonstrasikan perkuliahan materi academic listening pada pertemuan ke-12 dengan topik learning. Dengan sub CPMK yaitu Comprehending Literal Meaning, Monologue and Dialect in Audio Context. Nah, tujuan dalam perkuliahan ini adalah mahasiswa mampu menangkap informasi terkait dengan topik yang disajikan dengan mengasah keterampilan menyimak, memahami, kemudian menginformasikan kembali terhadap apa yang mereka dengarkan melalui teks berbentuk audio. Di antaranya, kemampuan recognizing vocabularies, interpreting implied meaning, and paraphrasing the informations. Nah, bentuk pembelajaran yang digunakan yaitu model kuliah 2 SKS dengan menggunakan interactive model, yaitu menggabungkan antara pendekatan bottom up and top down strategy. Model assessment yang dipakai adalah yaitu subjektif dan objektif. Subjektif itu menggunakan oral test, di mana mahasiswa diminta untuk menyampaikan informasi kembali terhadap audio yang sudah didengarkan. Dan yang kedua adalah model objektif, yaitu mahasiswa diminta untuk melengkapi kalimat-kalimat dalam teks atau dalam artian missing text atau disebut dengan gap filling sebagai bentuk assessment subjektifnya. Mata kuliah ini juga mengintegrasikan antara materi listening sehingga mahasiswa dengan keterampilan academic speaking, sehingga mata kuliah ini juga memiliki berkaitan dengan mata kuliah wajib lainnya seperti listening for daily conversation, speaking for daily conversation, speaking for academic purposes, and methodology in teaching listening. Maka dari itu kami akan mendemonstrasikan dengan topik learning pada video berikut.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Alright.
Well, what is our subject today?
Our subject today is learning.
Yes, our subject today is about listening for academic purposes. Well, before we begin our activities today, please open our activities today by reading Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Well, Alhamdulillah. Who was absent today? Are you complete? No. Not yet. Well, I will check it one by one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Number 1. Ivan?
Present.
Okay, good. Helly?
Present.
Fabian?
Present.
Fatih?
Present.
Umang?
Present.
Nazrin?
Present.
Septa?
Present.
Okay. Surya Dharma?
Present.
Ilham Paris?
Present.
Okay, thank you. Well, my next question. What is our topic last week?
Our topic last week was about language.
What is our topic last week?
Our topic last week is language.
Is
Language.
language. Okay, our topic last week is about language. Okay, based on your understanding, what is the function of language in your life?
So, communication with others.
Okay, to communicate each other. Okay, good. The other, what is the function of language?
To improve language.
To improve language. What is language for?
Language for say what
What we mean?
Okay, say what you mean. It means that language is for our speaking. What's that? Our
Speaking.
Okay. Now, topic last week have a relation with our topic today. Okay, look at our slide. Okay. What is the picture talking about?
Learning.
Learning.
About the
Learning.
Okay. What is the activities?
Studying.
Studying. What about you? Studying. The other?
Writing.
Writing. And then?
Listening.
Listening. The other?
Chatting.
Chatting. Okay, chatting. So that our activities today will discuss about the learning. Once again, about the
Learning.
About the learning. Well, students, before I play this audio, because our activities is listening, maybe you can find many vocabularies related to the learning. Yeah? Okay, do you remember learning? What is our vocabulary related to the learning? Please write down maybe five words. Yeah, starting from now. Okay, enough? Okay, who wants to answer? Vocabulary related to learning. You?
Memorizing.
Memorizing. Okay, good.
Think.
Think.
Unknown.
What is that?
Unknown.
Unknown. Okay. Fikri?
Classmate.
Classmate? Umam?
Or improving.
Improving. Good. Nothing.
Listening.
Listening. Surya?
What? Study.
Writing.
Writing. Good. Well. Okay. Before I play this audio, okay, maybe you can find several slide, yeah, here. Maybe you can find, and then you make a conclusion like this, yeah, and like this. From this word, maybe from this image, you can improve your work maybe. Like this. Okay, you got it? Okay. This? Yeah? Okay, enough?
Yeah.
Enough. Well, listen carefully, then write everything that you listen from this audio. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready.
ListenAminute.com. Learning. Learning is one of the most important things we do in life. It starts pretty much when we're born. In fact, many scientists say learning begins earlier. We listen to the outside sounds. This is when we first start learning a language. Our ears get used to the different patterns of intonation. Learning is a lifelong process. We spend our childhood years doing nothing but learning. We learn a language before we are 2. We learn how to play and do all the everyday things people do. Most people think learning only begins at school. I'm not sure about this. Are we really learning, or are we just memorizing things? I think a lot of learning happens outside school. We learn more from our hobbies and interests than what we learn from school books.
Okay, guys. According to this audio, what is the meaning of learning?
Learning is about knowing something that everything happens in our daily life. It's not just about memorizing school books, but it's learning. It's about learning what happens in our daily life.
Okay, thank you. You?
Learning is one of the most important things we do in life. This is when we first start learning a language, and also our ears get used. And we do all things in this life by learning.
Okay. by learn. Okay. How about you, Fikri?
I think learning is not about learning something about knowledge, but also need to be practicing in our life so that it can be improving our skills and capability in our social life.
Okay. Thank you. Good. You?
Dreaming is important action in the life. It's about we study about what happened in daily life.
Okay. What happened in daily life? Okay. Sekta?
I think learning is a lifelong process.
Yeah.
Yeah. Learning is not easy.
Not easy. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So then, what is the function of learning in our life? Ilham.
Function learning in our life. The function is for we to be diligent in future.
Okay, diligent in the future. Okay. According to the text, what is the function of learning?
Function learning is to explore some knowledge.
To explore some knowledge. Okay. You, Radhi?
Function of learning is for key of the success.
Success. What success do you mean?
Accept everything of knowledge.
Accept everything. Okay. You?
Learning is a key for humans to explore all of the things.
Okay. Why you state this?
Because all of the things we cannot be because all of the things we have to do with first is learning. It is learning. All of the things we want to do, the first step we have to do is learning.
Okay, good. How about you? What is the function of learning in our lives based on the audio?
Learning make our future more good.
Okay, more good. Okay. You? What does it?
Learning in our daily life to speaking to many people in our daily.
In our habits. Okay, learning is for our habit. How about you?
Learning is important thing we do in life about we future.
Future. Okay. What is the important thing for
Study.
studying? Okay, good. Okay, well, according to the text, when did we start our learning activities? Yeah.
Since we born, we learn about different pattern of information.
Okay.
Our ear get used to language, and before we get to 2 years, we get already used to language.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah. Since we
born.
okay, since we born. Why? It can be since we born.
Because learning is not just begin when we enter school, but it begins. It's about process. It's about lifelong process. It not just begin and end when we enter school, and after that we end our learning when we graduate from the school.
Okay, good. In this audio, it stated that learning not only for memorizing. What is the relation between learning and memorizing? Bonus? You? Memorizing.
I think memorizing is it need a long time.
Okay. It is need long time. Okay, long time. So what is the vocabulary related to long time? They stated in audio. Who knows? Second slide. This is about that.
Learning is a lifelong process.
Lifelong
Process.
process. Learning is lifelong process since we were okay, before we okay. Well, remember, I will play a game, and then after this, make a group. Yeah, make a group and discuss with your partner. You got it? Okay. Make a circle, make a group. Yeah. And then discuss with your partner. Yeah. 5, and you. Okay, guys, maybe you can make a relate with the vocabulary that available in the audio. Yeah. Learning is something blah 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 with blah 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 is start from blah blah blah. Okay, enough. Okay, good. Now you sit. Guys. Okay. So students, okay, thank you for discussing about our topic today, learning. But after discussion about our topic, I need your clarifications. Yeah, in front of the class. Yeah. Are you ready? Okay.
Yes.
From group 1. Yeah. Yeah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In here, in front of you all, I would like to explain about the learning from first group. Okay, learning is about lifelong process and the essential of the life itself. So learning and study is different because study is only focuses on the listening, writing, speaking, and communicating. So process is different. It's from our infancy, newborn, and then pre-adolescence like the babies, the kids, the children, and then adolescence is about like us, teen, and above that there is adulthood. Adulthood like Mr. Aris like that. And after that, the elderlings, that is our grandmother or grandfather, like that. And after that, we die. In that, our process is M. But before that, we use about learning. Learning is about the environment, the habit, and the hobby from our interest, like that. Not only focus on the school infancy, like that. Okay. Thank you very much for my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good applause. Yeah. From the second group. Yeah.
Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, I will explain to you about learning. I think learning is starting from we broke until we die, because learning is lifelong process. It's not easy. Yeah. And I think the best part of learning is the practice, because the practice makes perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Good opinion, good argument from your discussion. Yeah. You have a good critical thinking. But after this, we'll give you some exercises to check again about your understanding about the topic today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget to give your name, please. Look at word by word. Maybe you can guess missing word from these exercises. Then I will play the audio maybe once, only once. And then you can write down after I play the audio. You got it? Yes. Okay. Okay. Please complete the missing word. Okay, enough? Okay, submit it to me. Yeah. Okay, don't forget to give your name. Okay. Yeah. Enough? Okay. Yeah, enough? Yeah. Done? Okay. Well, students, thank you. This is our topic today. We learned about the topic. What is our topic today?
Learning.
Everything that you hear from this audio can be implemented in your life. That learning is lifelong process. Learning is
Lifelong process.
Keep learning, keep studying, and keep communicating with each other to get your better future. Allahumma
Amin.
Thank you very much for your coming and for your attention. And see you next week with another interesting topic. And finally, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.